First, we turn on the power switch and then the screen will light up. The screen lights up and then we take a look. Here is welcome screen. Click enter system. Here you can select the language, Chinese or English. We first select English, then here is the login password. We click engineer password, 5 6s, 1 2 3 4 5, then click OK, click login. After logging in, this is the main page. This is process parameters. We generally use process parameters because we need to adjust each stage. Speed and speed time. Then this is the negative pressure value. For negative pressure, we usually set it to -100, always -100. This gives the best coating removal effect. Here we can store data. Different data sets are group 0, group 1, all the way up to group 29. So we first adjust group 1. If it displays in blue, that means it will run according to this program. If it is invalid, it will be yellow. This means that this recipe in group 1 only has 2 stages that can run. For the first stage, we set it to, for example, 700. Click OK, then set the time to 30 seconds. Then the second stage is 800. 800, then the time is 60 seconds. 60 seconds, click confirm. The entire process is a total of 90 seconds, 700 and 800, just 2 stages. The last 3 stages are invalid and will not run. After we finish setting it up, just click save, then click read here and you are done. Now we return to the main page and then we directly press one touch start. Then our machine can start. If we want to set up group 2, just click on group 2 data. We can also set up the recipe for group 2. Here's 600, then 40. Okay, 980. Setup complete. In the same way, we just click save and we are done. Save, then we are on the main page. We are now on what we just set up. If we select group 1 recipe, this recipe we can just press start directly. Press and hold start here. You need to hold it for 3 seconds without moving. Then the machine can start. Now you can see the machine has already started running. The machine has already started running. Let us take a look at how fast this vacuum extraction is, and it has already reached 77 right now. We set the time to 30 seconds, and now at just over 20 seconds, it has already reached 8910. Incredibly fast. The vacuum extraction time is remarkably quick. Now at 30 seconds, the second phase begins to run. At 38 seconds, it has reached 97. Right now it is. At just over 40 seconds, the vacuum level has already reached its maximum. Once this program segment finishes running, the process will come to an end. During this process, if we encounter an emergency, we can press the start button directly to stop. Just press stop and the machine will halt. To restart the machine, simply press the same button again. We can also use the emergency stop button. So in an emergency, press the emergency stop, and once it is pressed down, you will need to reset it by rotating it counterclockwise to restore it. Once the machine completes the preset program, it will shut down automatically, all according to the configured settings. The vacuum release process is also extremely fast. And then the machine finishes its operation. The alarm light will sound and the entire operation is complete.